Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you a welder, or maybe you know someone who is? Maintaining safety while welding is so important and definitely cannot be undermined. So I want to show you this pair of welding gloves that my husband really loves. These are from Stallion, and these are a cowhide leather welding glove. And there's a few things that he really likes about them. First of all, of course, safety, number one, most important. And they really do offer that safety from all those sparks and fire that is coming out of that welding torch. So that is, of course, the most important thing. They have this nice wide cuff that you can actually put over your sleeve, so you are able to really make sure you are protected. They're a very thick, quality, durable material that is not going to wear down. The stitching is Kevlar, so it is not going to ignite. And these are flame resistant, so that obviously is what you're looking for. The dexterity is easily maintained with these gloves. They don't have a lining, so you're still able to really get a good feel on what you're doing so that you can, of course, maintain control and have a good grip on your welding torch and your project. So if you're looking to protect yourself or someone you love, then we would definitely recommend these Stallion welding gloves, and that's my point of view.